In our last video, we showed you how OfferCommerce helps organizations create company classified ads for employees. Employees can buy and sell personal belongings from their intranet portal. This video, however, focuses only on the back-end administration page for OfferCommerce. Alright, so to actually get to your administration page, click on the gear icon, go to site content, and click on OfferCommerce. Alright, and when the administration page loads, you have the first level of navigation is actually just a menu that helps you use the product. So if you have any issues, you can always contact us by just clicking the contact support button right there, filling any information that you have, like any issues that you might be facing, and we will generally respond to you within 30 minutes. Like within 30 minutes or less, we get back to you. Alright, you have a link to get to the communities to the community page for OfferCommerce. You have a link to get help like documentation and stuff like that. You have another link for videos like this one that I'm explaining to you. You can click right there and actually see all these videos. Another one for frequently asked questions about the product, and you have a link that the very first tab shows you a summary of everything. You can actually see the dashboard, the sales for your last 30 days, the sales for the current year, the total number of orders, the total number of customers, and the lifetime sales for your store. You can create new products from right here. You actually have a view of products, transaction logs, as well as a little customer relationship management, a little CRM for your store. Alright, going to the next tab, you actually have a view for your products, so you can actually click here to see all the store products. You can import products from Excel. Just click on the import tab, upload the Excel document, and click import items, and everything will be imported straight to your store. You can manage coupons as well from right here. So just click on the coupon tab, it takes you to the coupons page, and you can add a new coupon, as well as you can delete existing coupons. And right here you have a pretty nice table that actually shows you the maximum redemption for each particular coupon, the validity of the coupon, and the code for each coupon, including the terms for the coupons. Alright, you can actually use variants for each particular item in your store. So for example, you can, if you already created a product, or you already you imported an item from Excel without any variants, you can pretty much just come right here and create new variants for that particular item. Search for the SKU or the product ID for that item, look it up, and create a variants for it. And the payment tab actually helps you configure, enable, and disable the payment type that you want. So you can actually enable credit card processing right here. You can enable PayPal right here. You can enable mailing checks, as well as other APIs that we'll be adding in the next release. We have a lot more APIs coming, including automate.net. Alright, shipping, you can actually manage the shipping from this particular tab. Right here it shows you can enable shipping in your store. If you disable it, users cannot process shipping cannot be processed on your site, which means stuff like real-time shipping calculation will be disabled. Alright, you can enter the company address, where if somebody is sending a mailing check, whenever they check out on the email, they will get your company address on where to mail your check. Alright, you have other plugins like the slider plugin. The slider plugin actually helps you it helps improve your site by adding it's a nice marketing tool. So you can actually have this particular slide. Let's just see a demo of that slider. We have a demo of it at store.cotecinc.com. This is exactly the same slider that we're using. This is OfferCommerce slider, the same plugin that you have when you download OfferCommerce e-commerce app. You have this particular slider too that you can actually install, or you can actually install on your site. All right. Activity tab actually shows you all your activities, which include like the past 30 days activities, the past 90 days, current year, last year activities. So when you click on it, it actually filters and give you activity by the last 30 days or the last 90 days. All right. Customers tab actually shows you all your customers, or you can actually create new customers using this particular menu. So if you want to create a new customer, say for example a customer checkout on your page in PayPal, so you can just go grab the information from PayPal and create the customer information right here. Or if you already have pre-existing customers, you can just come right here and just enter the information. All right. And the next one is email settings. Email settings actually enables you to be able to configure stuff like SMTP. So if you have a personal SMTP for your server, you can just go ahead and implement it right here. Enter the SMTP server name as well as the port for the SMTP. You can actually use Office 365 SMTP, you can use Gmail SMTP, you can use Yahoo SMTP from right here, and you can actually even send out test emails to see if the information you enter above is actually working. You have stuff like notification. You can actually configure the notification what you want to receive. If you want your vendors, your clients, as well as if you want to receive emails. All right, you can configure that. You can configure the body of the emails that is actually sent out. All right. And one last thing is pretty much documentation. Link to the documentation that actually gives you all the information. It explains to you all the information about OfferCommerce. And again, we have this particular tool right here that you can actually use to contact us whenever you have issues. If you just have like a feedback, you want to send your feedback, click on the feedback tab and it's going to pop up this particular form, and you can just fill it, enter your email address, your name, and a quick information, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If it's a feedback, we'll definitely respond to your feedback. If it's a support ticket, we'll definitely respond to the support ticket. All right. This actually concludes a brief overview of the administration page for OfferCommerce. If you have any questions, you can always email us at inquiry@offercommerce.com. Thank you. Bye.